Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the tank has fuel and the hose is sound. This prevents leaks and misfires. Once done, remove the grates so you can access the burners and clear ash or spider webs that block ports. Next, attach the regulator by hand and open the tank valve a quarter turn to let pressure build. You do this slowly to avoid a sudden gas rush. Make sure the grill lid is open before any ignition step to prevent gas buildup and flare-ups. You light the grill by setting one burner control to high and pressing the igniter. Ignite each burner in sequence so flame patterns stabilize. If the built-in igniter doesn't spark, use a long match or grill lighter close to the ports. Safety first, keep the lid open. Once all burners are lit, preheat on high for 10 to 15 minutes so metal stores heat evenly. This removes residue and helps create consistent searing. Make sure flames are mostly blue. You finish by creating cooking zones. Keep one burner high for direct searing and lower adjacent burners for indirect roasting. Adjust knobs to reach target temperature and close the lid to stabilize heat. When done, turn each burner control off first, then close the propane valve, because shutting the tank first can trap gas. If you see a weak or yellow flame, check the regulator alignment and hose for kinks, tighten the connection, and briefly open the valve to purge air. Repeat ignition after a moment to restore normal pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.